Hi Nara, so this is how you can access to the lesson plan. So first thing, you need to go to Schoology, then you're gonna press in distance learning. Then you're gonna go to lower school classroom distance learning. And here you have the lesson plan of the week, okay? So let's press here, week of 18 May. Then you have the schedule of the week, okay? So you need to click on the day that you're interested in. For example, Monday. And it will take you to the lesson plan of the day. And here you will have all the things that Jolly needs to do, like the morning message, movement breaks, morning greetings, what he needs to do in reading. And for example, here, there's some links that you need to click on. So he can watch the videos, okay? So here is a video, okay? So all the links that you see here, it's gonna take you to something. It could be either a video or it could be a worksheet, okay? That he needs to fill out. For example, you asked me about science. Here you go and look for science, and then this is the worksheet, the prototype worksheet that he needs. And this is the video. So this is the prototype. So as you saw, I just click on the link and that's how I'm here. And then the video, same, I just press the link and I'm here watching the video. So what you need to do is go straight to the subject that you are interested in and then just go to that link. For math, it's a little bit different because you have all the days in the same document. So for example, you will have day 1, counting stamps, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. So you're going to have all days in the same document, but you have sometimes some linked videos. So for example, this is the video that you needed, okay? So open the document and just be careful about what you see linked there, okay? Because most of the time it will take you to something else, to a different place, okay?
Here's an example of one of the puzzles.
Well, Nara, if you need something else, we're more than happy to help, okay? Bye-bye.